Just in time for back to school, co-founder of Flavor Temptations and Wisconsin Economic Development Ambassador Sarah Parthasaraty is here to show how her small business is introducing big flavor to school menus and 3 simple steps to cooking authentic Indian dishes at home. Hi Sarah, welcome to the show.
Hi, thank you for having me.
What was the inspiration behind starting your own recipe kits?
I started off actually to help my son out when he left for college and didn't know how to cook. And he wanted to cook Indian vegetarian food. So I had to teach him how to cook. And the one thing he was missing is the flavor profile of the flavor building that is very important to Indian cooking, which I sort of grew up just sort of watching my mother. So I gave him my mom's recipes and I put all the spices individually packed and measured out in the right flavor profile so that he could then cook for himself. And that is how it came about.
Why did you choose Wisconsin to launch your business, and how is Flavor Temptations helping to change the food scene?
So what we did was we were discovered, so to speak, by a big school district, and they wanted us to make the same thing but make it for larger quantities. So that is how we came up with some of these spice kits, which has the same concept, but everything is sort of simplified. Everything is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, so that school districts can actually do not have to really train their staff, but they can cook authentic food. Now, it so happens that lately, the past 2 or 3 years, there's been a big push within the school nutrition industry for having scratch-cooked foods, having food that is low in sodium or 0 sodium, no sugars, no additives, no preservatives, and fresh cooking. So our cook from scratch spice kits and also our ready-made curry sauce, this actually helps the schools so that they can actually make various Indian dishes authentically, but in very large quantities without having to and save on labor and save on time and make sure that they are following USDA guidelines of low sodium and low sugars, etc. So we check all the boxes of it being, allowing for gluten-free, allowing for plant-forward or vegan dishes, allowing for, meat dishes, and also making sure that it's flavorful so the kids can actually explore new cuisine. Global flavors is a brand new thing in school nutrition, and everyone is really excited about this.
Thank you so much, Sarah. This looks like a delicious way to start the school year.